Morning Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, we're going to install a swing away trailer jack on the Harbor Freight trailer project, the teardrop project. So let's open this box up and see what kind of tools I'm going to need. You always need a cup of coffee, don't forget that. Okay, it looks like it comes with nuts and bolts, the jack, got to put the wheel on, got some instructions. So it looks like I'll need probably a couple wrenches and not a whole lot more than that. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Okay, there's a handle. Maybe that's the handle. Okay, let me go grab some tools. Okay, so here's what this project looks like it's going to take. Got some gloves, some reading glasses, safety glasses, and a variety of wrenches and socket. So I'm going to read the instructions real quick and see if make sure there's nothing that I'm missing. Okay, so I'll set up and see what happens. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put on the little handle. So it's just a funny shaped bolt in there and a little nut on there. So see how that goes. Oh, it's nice. It's kind of a locking nut. It has a little inside part. So you put on my gloves. This is the Harbor Freight Haulmaster 1,000 pound trailer jack. They have bigger ones, but I think this is a small trailer, so this one should be adequate. Just tighten this up. There we go. Got the handle on there. So let's go to the next step. Wants me to put the wheel on next, so I'll do that. It has a little sleeve that goes in. It doesn't show that in the instructions, but it's there. So there'll be 4 sets nuts and bolts and washers for the clamp, and then the solo is for the wheel. Got the wheel on there. So, attach the handle, attach the wheel. This orients towards the back, the wheel towards the back. Has a little handle that disengages from the plate. So, I'm going to put it somewhere around here to start. So it's adjustable, so it can be moved. So let's go ahead and mount that up. Okay, so this will go that way. That'll go that way. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, so let me give you a little close-up of that. Okay, so that's the long bolts going through the bracket. So it has that and that. So it'd probably be easier if you have a second person, you know, holding that thing in still for you. Okay, let's put on the second set of nuts and bolts. This should go quite a bit easier. Okay, so got it on there. Have to decide, is that where I want it? And I don't think it is. Okay, I think for now that'll be good. If you're a trailer jack aficionado, do me a favor, put some comments down in the comment section and tell me where along that giant long tongue that thing should go. See, some people attach them to their frame. I'm not going to do that. Definitely here, but for right now I'm going to put it right there, so let's tighten this thing up. just in case I was showing you my butt crack and I had to cut, then I'm tightening these up, tighten them evenly, go up and down, switch off, you know, kind of like the same thing on wheel nuts. Don't over tighten one till you get to the other. So you pull this, you rotate it like that, and you lift it like that. Take my my wood box and put it away. Okay, there we go. The Hallmaster trailer jack out.